Hello and welcome to the stockradio.com. Today we're very happy to have with us on the show CEO Alex Leo from Redux Holdings Inc. The company is publicly traded on the OTCPink sheets under the symbol RDXH. Alex, thank you very much for taking the time out to speak with us today.
All right, thank you for having me.
Now, Alex, to get things going, why don't you tell us a little bit about the company? Introduce us to Redux.
Right. So basically, our company is a holdings company. We have actually said that there will be a name change coming, and that name will be Leotech Holdings Inc. Basically, what we have right now is a patent pending technology that is currently being filed for a U.S. non-provisional. And then also the other countries, or the select few other countries that will be filed as well. So this will be a international patent along with the U.S. Non-provisional patent. And then at the same time, it's an A3 vertical grow system. Basically, the system occupies less space than other traditional farming methods, up to 10 times more efficiency per annum than conventional farming methods. And basically, it also highlights having the ability to reduce the water usage by up to 75% compared to, conventional farming methods. And that's really a big feat in today's world, considering all the water issues we're having. So it's a very the system itself is a very needed system globally and in this country actually now with California's issues.
Definitely is a big concern. And I talked about your technology and the patents that you have for that. Why don't you maybe just go into a bit more detail about the technology itself, and also just comment on, you did recently put out a shareholder update, maybe cover some of the stuff that you covered in that release.
Right. So the technology itself, the patent is for a mechanical patent, and basically utility patent. But basically, it's for the efficiency of the system and how the water usage is basically recycled through the system, and how it interacts with the plants. So it is a pretty cool process that a lot of other systems don't have the same level of efficiency that our system has. Not to mention the fact that it is a vertical system. It is an outdoor-indoor system, meaning you can use this outdoors very effectively and in place of your traditional farming methods. And as far as the most recent shareholder update, basically, every month our company likes to go ahead and recap on everything that has transpired within that period. And we had a lot of updates this past month, and some of which were operations starting, and that was big news. We had an increase on the efficiency of the system, we also had a capital contract for $250,000, which was, very big news considering that was a big concern for shareholders of the company.
No, indeed, that's a very exciting news for the company. Now, thinking about the market and marketing and landing that contract, tell us a little bit about some of the growth plans you have to really drive this company to profitability and to growth.
Right. So some of the plans that we have in place were already mentioned in the last press release, and we're basically going to utilize that capital to grow outdoors and then grow indoors. So we're going to establish our outdoor grow operation as well as the indoor grow operation simultaneously. We'll have about 26 working systems total, and it's going to be able to give us a maximum off those 26 working systems for the year of about a little over $1.1 million in revenue, based off of just about under $200,000 in buying of materials and greenhouse. So The return is truly extraordinary on what you get. Profitability basically happens within 2 months of, on full maturation of the produce. It's an easy sell. It's an easy sell when it comes to, organic produce.
Alex, thank you very much for your time. We appreciate you explaining the company and the technology behind it. We've been speaking to CEO Alex Leo from Redux Holding, currently doing business under that name, waiting for the name change, Leo Techs Holdings Inc. I do encourage you to go to the company's website for more information. That is leotechholdinginc.com, leotechholdinginc.com. So the company is publicly traded, so go into OTC markets using the trading symbol RDXH. You can get more investment information. Alex, thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you very much.
This broadcast is a production of thestockradio.com, a financial communications and public relations firm. Thestockradio.com receives payments for financial communications and public relations consulting services that we provide to our clients. You should assume that officers, directors, and employees of thestockradio.com or financial analysts mentioned and their families hold positions in this company discussed therein and intend to trade these positions to their own accounts. This is not an offer or recommendation to buy or sell securities. Information in this broadcast is presented solely for the informative purposes and not to be intended to be used or should be construed as investment advice. As in all investments, an investment in the featured companies carries an investment risk. Listeners should review the company thoroughly with a registered investment advisor or registered stockbroker. This broadcast is not an in-depth study and should not be viewed as such of the featured companies or other companies mentioned. Information used in statements or facts have been obtained from the featured company and other sources, but have not been verified as to accuracy. Therefore, it is not guaranteed by thestockradio.com. Such information is subject to change without notice.